Hey everybody, today we're making Skinless Longganisa.
Yay!
Yeah.
Here are the ingredients with making Skinless Longganisa. I made minor change with the recipe and made do with the ingredients I had. In a bowl, add ground pork, ground chicken, then add garlic. Sugar, I used 2 types as these were the condiments I had available. Paprika, salt, and canola oil. Then mix the ingredients well. Use hand or stand mixer if available. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for 2 hours. Remove the mixture after 2 hours. You will need parchment or wax paper and a card. Put a sheet of paper on a flat surface. Scoop 3 tablespoons of mixture, put it over the sheet of paper. Fold and firmly hold the edge together. Then push the mixture until a sausage shape is formed. Firmly roll the sausage and put it in a container. Repeat the process until the entire mixture is consumed. To make unwrapped sausage, use medium-sized parchment or wax paper. Scoop 3 tablespoons of mixture, put it over the sheet of paper. Fold and firmly hold the edge together. Then push the mixture until a sausage shape is formed. Press and hold both ends firmly. Then open and gently push the sausage to roll into the container. Repeat the steps until the entire batch is consumed. Insert a piece of in between the sausages to prevent it from sticking to each other. Then refrigerate overnight. Freeze some of it for up to 1 month for future use. To cook, simmer 5 to 8 tablespoons of water in a frying pan over low heat. Add and cook the sausage for 2 minutes. Flip it over and cook the other side for another 2 minutes. Continue to cook until liquid is absorbed. Remove from pan when all sides are brown. Serve with warm rice and enjoy. It's ready, let's eat! Come on, babe! Alright, Dax. Gotta have that ketchup, you know.
These are good.
Oh, yeah? Thanks.
Fun fact about this video,
What?
I have no pants on. Can't transmit through the internet how good it is.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Happy feeds!